Think you're doing lunges the right way? Let me tell you something. 8 out of 10 people who think they're crushing their leg day are actually putting unnecessary stress on their knees instead of building strength, where it matters most. If your knees ever ache after lunges or you've never quite felt them in your glutes, this video is going to change everything. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're breaking down one of the most powerful, but also one of the most misunderstood leg exercises out there, the lunge. Whether you're training at home or in the gym, this move can sculpt strong, balanced legs if you do it the right way. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do lunges safely, effectively and confidently, and no pain. No bad form, just solid, functional strength that supports every other move you do. Let's start with what most people get wrong, because the truth is, if you fix even a couple of these, you'll instantly feel stronger, more stable, and reduce your risk of injury. You step forward, but your front knee shoots way past your toes. That's like slamming the brakes on your car while pressing the gas. Your knee joint takes all the pressure instead of your muscles. Over time, that can lead to joint pain and limit your progress. Mistake number 2, leaning forward. When your chest collapses forward, your weight shifts off your legs and your core switches off. Your balance disappears, your lower back strains, and you lose control of the movement. Mistake number 3, shallow steps. Taking tiny steps might feel easier, but you're only working part of the muscle. You miss the depth that truly activates your glutes and quads, meaning fewer gains for the same effort. Mistake number 4, bouncing through the move. Speed doesn't equal control. If you're bouncing up and down, you're using momentum, not muscle power. And that means zero progress and higher injury risk. So if those are the common mistakes, what does a perfect lunge actually feel like? Here's a hint: it's not about how far you step. It's about how strong and steady you stay throughout the entire motion. Think of your body like a skyscraper, tall, balanced, and supported from the base up. If your foundation isn't solid, everything above it starts to wobble. That base is your core and hips. Engage your core. Imagine someone's about to poke your stomach, and you're bracing slightly without holding your breath. That tension keeps your spine neutral and your body stable. Place your feet hip-width apart, not in a straight line. This gives you balance and control from the start, just like standing on a solid platform. Now take a slow, controlled step forward. Your back heel should lift naturally, and your front foot should plant flat and strong. Think of it as claiming your ground. Step 1. Step forward with your right leg, not too short, not too long. Step 2. Lower your body straight down, keeping your torso upright. This isn't a forward motion, it's a controlled drop. Your back knee should hover just an inch above the floor. That's where you build real control. Step 3. Make sure your front knee stays stacked, directly above your ankle. This alignment protects your joints and powers your lift. Step 4. Push through your front heel to come back up. Feel the tension in your glutes and hamstrings. That's the magic of good form doing the work for you. When you move down, imagine riding a smooth elevator. No jerky motion, no lean forward. When you rise up, push the floor away with your heel and keep your chest proud. Now repeat with the other leg. Each repetition should feel like a mirror image. Stable, smooth, and under control. Let's do a quick side-by-side breakdown. Watch how just a few small adjustments completely transform your movement. If your front foot isn't pressing into the floor, or your back knee feels jammed, take a pause. Reset your stance, engage your core, and go slower. Form first, always. Ready to level up your lunges? Once your basic form feels rock solid, these variations will challenge your stability, balance, and coordination even more. Reverse lunges. Instead of stepping forward, step back. This version takes pressure off your knees and fires up your glutes even harder. Walking lunges add movement and flow. Each step forward challenges your balance and builds real-world strength. Pulse lunges, stay low, move just a few inches up and down for 5 seconds. It burns, but that's the feeling of your muscles truly working. Weighted lunges. Once your form is flawless, grab dumbbells. Keep your core tight and your steps controlled. No swinging arms or leaning forward. Remember, never rush into weights. Bad form with added resistance can set you back faster than you think. Now it's your turn. Try 10 perfect reps on each leg. Go slow. Breathe steady and focus on keeping every part of your body aligned. Notice the difference. Your legs feel tighter, more grounded, and your balance improves almost instantly. That's what proper form does. It builds strength from the inside out. Remember, every rep with good form is worth 10 rushed ones. Master the basics and your progress will multiply faster than ever. If you learned something new today, drop it in the comments and hit that like button, because next time we're breaking down another move that most people get wrong and turning it into your strength. Stay strong, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one. Train with purpose and your results will follow.